Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down vulnerable frontiers, move garrisons into choke points and resource hubs now. Once done, appoint governors who boost stability and reduce unrest, and switch economic sliders to favor stability over expansion. Don't spam buildings immediately. Instead, repair forts and upgrade a single city infrastructure to prevent revolt. Make sure to keep army maintenance moderate so you can fund public order. This keeps your nation stable while you prepare the next expansion step. You now layer systemic measures, prioritize public order structures where unrest is highest, and stagger construction so funding never collapses. Then, activate edicts and policies that grant immediate stability boosts, alternate them to avoid long-term penalties. Research technologies that yield civic and legal bonuses. These compound over time and reduce revolt chance. Also, deploy light policing units to hotspots. They cost little but lower revolt risk. Once these systems are active, your core stability will hold while you expand or reform. You finish by consolidating control, integrate regions slowly, offer concessions to dominant cultures, and invest in transport and public services so stability becomes self-sustaining. Make sure to use diplomacy to shift hostile neighbors into allies or vassals, which reduces war-driven unrest. Keep a reserve fund and quick reaction garrison ready. If unrest spikes, deploy them to suppress riots while you enact emergency policies. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple provinces erupt, prioritize securing food and lines of communication, then reapply edicts to stabilize one region at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.